Hi, I'm Anne.
And I'm Sienna from the Artful Grimmer, and we will show you how to make your own summer fruits wrapping paper.
So this is a great all year round DIY activity. It's perfect for adults and children alike, and it's great for birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Christmas.
For this project, we use kids' paintbrushes, poster paints, A3 kraft paper, and some black and white paint pens or markers.
So to start, I'm painting some watermelon slices by using the foam brush dipped in pink paint. And I use the brush kind of like a compass to create semicircles and quarter circles, and these will be my watermelon slices.
And I'm painting in some pineapple slices by using a small flat brush and yellow paint. I'm painting some rectangle shapes that meet in the middle, leaving a small circle unpainted in the center.
While Sienna finishes off her pineapple slices, I'll use a small flat brush and green paint to add in the watermelon skins.
Next, take a flat round sponge brush to stamp on some blueberries. I made the blueberry color by mixing pink and blue paint.
While Sienna's working on that, I'll mix some pink and yellow together to make orange. We'll both use this color now. I'll paint in some mangoes using a small flat brush.
And I'll use the round sponge brush to paint some oranges. Then grab some green and paint in some stalks and leaves.
Give your paint time to completely dry. Then we'll bring the fruit to life by giving them some faces. For this, you can use a paint pen, marker, or some black paint. Have some fun with this step and give these little funny fruits all kinds of expressions to show their different personalities.
Because they are fruits with feelings.
I've also used a white paint pen to add some reflections onto the blueberries and some rind onto the watermelon slices.
Here are some different design ideas to give you some inspiration. You can create complementing patterns or just stick with one kind of fruit for your wrapping paper.
To make this lovely lemon pattern, I've used the flat sponge brush in the same way as the watermelons, but with yellow paint. I've used a flat brush to paint in some orange skin. Once the paint is dry, I use the white paint pen to add in the rind and segments of each lemon.
We hope you enjoyed this project and can't wait to see what you come up with. #MontmartArt or tag us on Instagram or Facebook at MontmartArt. We'll see you soon.